4, 3, 2, 1.
Liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis, the final visit to enhance the vision of Hubble into the deepest grandeur of our universe.
Hubble threw us a few curves, and I think it's really a testament to the whole team on board here, on board Atlantis, and of course on the ground, Tomas, Christie, and everybody else, the Goddard team, that we were able to overcome them, and that we have a wide field camera 3 in the telescope, which will help to unlock the secrets of the universe.
Welcome home, Atlantis. Congratulations on a very successful mission, giving Hubble a new set of eyes that will continue to expand our knowledge of the universe.